Let's learn how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which is a melody used by the famous composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. First, we'll learn to play the first line, and then we'll learn the second line, and finally the third line, which you may notice is exactly the same as the first line. What a time saver! Let's begin with the first line, which starts on our third string, which is the D string. Make sure you start with open D, no fingers down. Then change to your second string, open A. Place your first finger down on the red tape for B. Release it to go back to open A. Now prepare all your fingers, 1, 2, 3, on the D string for that G on the D string. Remove a finger for F sharp. Remove a finger for E. And release the last finger for open D. Now let's give the second line a try. That one starts on A, which is our second string. Quickly prepare 1, 2, 3 fingers on the D string. There's your G. Remove a finger for F sharp. Remove a finger for E. Back to open A, second string, quickly. Fast, 1, 2, 3 fingers on the D string. There we go. Remove a finger for F sharp. Remove a finger for E. Now it's time for the third line. Go back to your open D, the third string. Open A, second string. Place first finger for B. Release it for A. 1, 2, 3 fingers on the D string, red, white, and blue tapes. All 3 fingers. Change the bow. There you go. Release a finger for F sharp. Release a finger for E. And remove your last finger. Open D. You did it! Now let's try playing the entire piece.